Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market review. It's been a pretty flat session for both Asian markets and Indian equity markets. In Indian markets, the Nifty is currently trading up by around 11 points at 6092, and Sensex is trading up by around 30 points to 20,132 levels. Friends, recently today S&P, the credit rating agency, has issued an analysis saying a negative outlook for India has more than a 50% possibility of getting confirmed. So we could see a slight correction from here onwards. On the stock specific counters, we have banking stocks that are doing relatively well, as shares of ICICI Bank are up around 1%, so are shares of Axis Bank. However, SBI is trading marginally down. Then we have NTPC, which is up around 2% as the government has decided to reallocate 3 captive blocks, coal blocks that were taken away from NTPC earlier. So the stock has reacted positively to this news. Then we've seen action in RCOM since quite a few days, and the stock was up by around 2% today on market buzz that RCOM is it's negotiating a network sharing deal with elder brother led Reliance Industries. However, the stock has corrected from its highs made in the morning and is currently trading up by around 1%. Then we have Titan, which is trading down by around 1% on news that India has raised import duty on gold and platinum to 6% from 4%. So this is slightly negative for Titan. The top gainers for today, we have NTPC, Sun Pharma, HUL and ICICI. And among the top losers so far, we have GAIL, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors and Tata Power. Friends, today we've also seen a surge in retail companies, as shares of Pantaloon are up by around 10%, whereas Provoked is up by around 6%. Also, action is seen in aviation stocks, as sources have revealed that the Jet Etihad deal could be valued at around 10 to 15% premium from current market capitalization of Jet. So Jet is currently trading up by around 3%, whereas SpiceJet is trading up by around 4%. Friends, we have some positive news on the rupee dollar front, as we've seen continuous appreciation of the rupee in the past 3 to 4 sessions, and the rupee is currently trading up at around 53.5 levels. That's it from the mid-market review. We'll catch you in the post-market session. Thank you and have a nice trading day.